Good morning, and welcome to your pre-market report for Monday, March 30th, 2026. Let's take a quick look at the global cues, domestic trends, and stocks to watch before the markets open. U.S. markets closed sharply lower, with the Dow down approximately 1.7%. The S&P 500 falling approximately 1.7%, and the Nasdaq dropping over 2%, led by weakness in tech stocks. The decline was driven by rising crude oil prices, higher bond yields, and escalating Middle East tensions, which have increased inflation concerns and dampened rate cut expectations. Asian markets opened sharply lower, with Japan's Nikkei plunging between 4.5 to 4.7%, and South Korea's Kospi falling over 3.5%, while broader regional indices also remained under pressure. The sharp sell-off is driven by surging crude oil prices, escalating Middle East tensions, and rising global inflation concerns, which continue to weigh heavily on investor sentiment across the region. GIFT Nifty Futures as of 8 a.m. was trading at 22,548, thereby indicating a sharply negative opening for the Indian markets today. Crude oil prices have surged sharply above $110 to $115 per barrel, driven by escalating Middle East tensions and severe supply disruptions, especially around the Strait of Hormuz, which is a critical global oil route. Gold prices are under pressure and have seen a sharp correction, as rising oil-driven inflation fears and higher bond yields reduce expectations of rate cuts, limiting the appeal of bullion despite geopolitical risks. NTPC's board has approved a major investment in battery energy storage systems with a capacity of 4.7 gigawatt-hours at a cost of over 5,800 crore rupees. It has also cleared a 3,173 crore rupees equity infusion into its JV for the Major Thermal Power Project, taking its total commitment to 5,000 crore rupees. CMS Infosystems is acquiring the ATM managed services business of FSS for 115 crore rupees, with the deal expected to close in Q1 FY27. This acquisition will significantly expand its managed services network to around 39,000 units. NLC India has started coal production at the Pachwara South Coal Block through its joint venture. The block has strong reserves and an annual mining capacity of 9 million tons, boosting the company's fuel security and long-term supply visibility. Surging crude oil prices, which are now above $110 per barrel, along with negative cues from the global markets, will prompt Nifty for another negative opening today. Supports for now can be maintained at 22,630, followed by 22,470, while resistances in case of a recovery will be at 22,875, followed by 23,085. The index will be bearish below 22,275. Surging crude oil prices above $110 amid escalating Middle East conflict, record FYI outflows, a weakening rupee, and rising bond yields are likely to keep sentiment negative and volatility elevated. Strong DII buying, any signs of easing geopolitical tensions, and resilience in domestic growth along with sector-specific triggers could support stability and a potential short-term recovery. On Friday, foreign institutional investors were net sellers of about 4,367 crore rupees, while domestic institutional investors were net buyers of around 3,566 crore rupees. That's your market snapshot for India on March 30th, 2026. For more such updates, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Wishing you a focused and profitable trading session ahead.